Happy Sunday, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Love Thy Life. I hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday. For the first time ever today, I'm recording this video in my backyard, and there is a reason behind it, because today's video is going to be about my experience of running a half marathon for the third time. And also I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my favorite classic pancake recipe, because I decided to treat myself with my overly delicious pancakes after I finished my marathon. So if you guys were thinking what was my motivation behind running a marathon and how I trained for it, I would leave the link in the description box down below, because I recorded a video about a month ago talking all about it. So if you guys are interested in crushing some goals, make sure you check out that video. Also guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button now, because I post a new video every Sunday. And if you guys do like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Other than that, that's Archer. He just lost it. He saw another dog and hey, come on, let's go back. Go inside. Come on. This is why running is so important, so I can keep up with this maniac. Mwah. Okay guys, I guess without any further ado, let's just jump right ahead into the video. So that was epic, guys. I can't even explain it to you how I felt after running a marathon. And you know, when you run for 20, it was like 21.6, but it was almost like 22 kilometers, because you walk from your parking lot to the finish line, and it actually ended up being more than 24 kilometers. But anyways, when I was running the marathon, I realized that why is it even so more important to take care of your body? Because guys, this is the only place you gotta live. So if you don't enjoy your body, if you don't take care well of it yourself, you have no other place to live. And I ran almost 22 kilometers, and after that I realized that it really doesn't matter what your shape or size is, because your body is capable of doing amazing things. So why not take care of it, even make it stronger? I had also thought that once I finish this marathon, I'm gonna reward myself. Maybe it's been a while that I haven't had my favorite classic pancakes. So now I'm gonna show you guys that after finishing this marathon, what I had for my breakfast, because I thought it's about time you reward yourself. Because it's very important. If you achieve your goals, you reward yourself. It helps you set the circle, and you keep doing it more and more. So guys, let's just see how my delicious pancakes taste. Also guys, you might have noticed that today I'm wearing no makeup. So cause let's get real, I don't really wear makeup every day. Maybe I just wear it 2 or 3 times a week. So it's really important that you also love yourself the way you are. Sometimes it's good to dress up. Sometimes it's just better to just own it what you've got. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I will also leave the link of my Instagram down below. Make sure you check it out because I post the daily crazy activities on it. Other than that guys, I will see you next Sunday. That's right. That's right.